the carefully designed symmetrical track. The trains will begin at the start and go round the bend together. The tracks then cross in the middle so that both trains travel exactly the same distance. Then the tracks meet up for the final sprint to the finish. So let's begin. First up, it's Thomas versus Percy.
Ready, set, go!
And they're off. Thomas is slightly ahead, he's got off to a good start. Thomas has crossed the middle section first. Percy's got a bit of catching up to do. Thomas is round the final bend. He's on the final straight. And he's crossed the line. Well done, Thomas. You go through. Next up, it's James versus Gordon. James looks very determined, doesn't he?
Ready, set, go!
And they're off. Ooh, James has got off to a surprisingly fast start. And he's crossed the middle section first. Gordon's got a bit of catching up to do. James is still ahead. He's going into the final corner. Gordon, you better speed up. And James is on the final straight, and he's still ahead. And he crosses the line. James goes through. Wow, what a surprise result. Unlucky Gordon. Right, Philip versus Spencer now.
Ready, set, go!
So the race begins. Spencer's got off to a good start, but Philip is keeping up with him. Round the second corner. This is a close race. Ooh, could they collide in the middle? Nope, Philip just makes it through. This is incredibly close, but Spencer's got the inside track and he's just ahead. He's on to the final straight now. I think Spencer's got this. Yep, Spencer crosses the line. That was unlucky, Philip. You were just too slow at the end. And finally, it's Samson versus Ryan.
Ready, set, go!
And the race has started. Blimey, look at Samson go. He's already a mile ahead of Ryan. Wow, this could be a new record. He's crossed the middle section. Ryan's not even anywhere near. He's just about to head into the final straight and Ryan is a mile behind. Look at him go. And he crosses the line. Wow, that was incredibly fast. Well done, Samson, you go through. So, we have our semi-finalists. James, Thomas, Samson and Spencer. First up, it's James versus Thomas.
Ready, set, go!
And they're off. Thomas has gone off to a quick start. He's keeping up with James. And he's on the outside track. Oh, this is a close race. They're both going very quickly. He's in the middle section. Oh, Thomas, that was a bit uncalled for. It doesn't matter though. This is still close. Thomas is ahead on the inside track. And now he's on the final straight and James isn't anywhere near him. And Thomas crosses the line. Well done, Thomas, you go through. And now, Samson versus Spencer.
Ready, set, go!
And the race has begun. I think this is going to be a close one. Samson is already ahead, but he was on the inside track. Can Spencer catch up though? Samson's past the halfway point, and now so is Spencer. This is going to be close because Spencer's got the inside track, but Samson is still ahead. And he's on the final straight. This could be another shock on the cards. And Samson wins! Unlucky Spencer. But well done, Samson. So, it's the final. Thomas versus Samson.
Ready, set, go!
And the final has begun. Oh, it's really close. Samson is just ahead, but he is on the inside track. And Samson has crossed the halfway point, but so has Thomas now. This is going to be extremely close. Oh, it's neck and neck going into the final straight. Who's going to win this? This is so close. Ooh, I couldn't tell who won that. I think we need a replay. Oh, I think Thomas has just won that. That was extremely close, but well done Thomas, I think you've won. Unlucky Samson, but Thomas is our winner. Well done Thomas, you win. Hi, I'm Dave, and thanks for watching my video. Here's another you may have missed.